Welcome to Info Capsules. Today, we delve into a burning issue, the intricate and intensifying relationship between wildfires and climate change. This topic is becoming increasingly important as the headlines of wildfires ravaging through forests from California to Australia become more frequent. These wildfires are not only causing immediate devastation, but are also playing a significant role in the global climate crisis. To fully grasp this connection, we need to first understand the fundamental carbon cycle. Our Earth's forests act as carbon sinks. These are nature's vaults, safely locking away the carbon drawn from the carbon dioxide present in the atmosphere. This natural process significantly helps in balancing our global carbon budget, combating the warming effect of greenhouse gases. However, when wildfires occur, they transform this stored carbon back into carbon dioxide, releasing it into the atmosphere. This is one of the most potent greenhouse gases, and its increase in the atmosphere leads to greater heat capture and global warming. In essence, a wildfire can undo decades or even centuries of the natural carbon storing process, releasing it back into the atmosphere in a matter of days or weeks. Take the 2020 Australian wildfires as an example. The devastation caused by these fires was so extensive that they released an estimated 830 million tons of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. To put that into perspective, this single event emitted almost the equivalent of the total annual emissions of Germany. As the climate continues to warm, we're caught in a dangerous feedback loop. Higher temperatures and prolonged droughts make conditions more favorable for wildfires. The increase in wildfires then contributes more carbon dioxide to the atmosphere, further accelerating climate change. Unfortunately, the relationship between wildfires and climate change doesn't stop at carbon emissions. Another element that comes into play is the soot and smoke that these wildfires produce. These particles can reach the upper atmosphere, and if they land on ice or snow, they darken the surface and decrease its ability to reflect sunlight back into space, a phenomenon known as albedo. The result? More heat gets absorbed, contributing further to warming and potentially leading to earlier and more rapid melting of snow and ice. In conclusion, while wildfires are a natural and essential part of many ecosystems, facilitating nutrient recycling and promoting biodiversity, human activities are increasing their frequency and intensity. The carbon dioxide and black carbon released by the burning biomass is accelerating global warming, pushing us into a vicious cycle that could be challenging to break. To combat this, we need a multi-pronged approach involving better forest management, reducing human-caused ignitions, and of course, global commitment to reducing greenhouse gas emissions. Thank you for watching.